Tree Removal Capalaba. Tree Removal Capalaba. Capalaba Tree Removal is a trusted source for tree lopping, removal, service, and stump grinding based in Capalaba. Our professionals serve customers in Redlands and surrounding suburbs including Alexandra Hills, Birkdale, Cleveland, Thornlands, Victoria Point, Wellington Point, Wynnum, and Wynnum West. We've been providing tree services in Brisbane Southside for over 15 years. Our team focuses on delivering top quality tree services, with a focus on protecting your property and family while working quickly and efficiently. Our experts will visit, assess your trees, and provide a reasonable estimate before scheduling work at your convenience. As seasoned arborists, we are equipped to handle a range of tree types, including gum and eucalyptus trees, as well as offer palm tree removal and trimming services. Contact us for tree services in Redlands and surrounding areas. We promise to exceed your expectations.